How to turn off notification while screen mirroring or screen sharing. So you are sharing your phone screen to a big television with your entire family and you don't want notification to pop up on the television screen. So how can you turn that off? I'm here to help you. So first we need to go to settings, and after going to settings we need to go to notification, tap notification, and from here you will find this option called screen sharing. As you can see this, all right, screen sharing, this notification, tap here, and now, okay, let me focus, okay, and now by default this will be turned on. We just need to turn this off. So now there will be no notification popping up on your television screen. Thanks for watching.